Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sanjai from Tamil Nadu, my favorite state, and I'm very happy to be talking to him. He got a rank of 216 in INI-CET exam. Sanjay, first of all, many congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir. Actually, I'm feeling grateful at this moment. I thank everyone who supported me during this journey, especially my parents and you teachers and my friends and family. Though they were competitors, they were putting my result in front of theirs and they were keeping on supporting me, sir. That is really, I'm really overwhelmed, sir.
So nice to hear. So, Sanjay, straight away, let's talk about the important takeaways from your preparation so that
Yes, sir.
the whole idea of these interviews is that the juniors get to learn from the toppers.
Yes, sir.
So, Sanjay, I think you started using the mission plan around 7, 8 months back,
Yes,
and
sir.
in the end, you focused on it. First of all, I would like to ask you about the quick or rapid revision videos of Cerebellum. So,
Yes,
how
sir.
do you use the rapid revision videos of Cerebellum?
Sir, those rapid revision videos actually it is none other than a very
Mm,
compiled version of main notes
mm,
that if you do that rapid revision it is
mm,
very much enough
mm.
to get a decent rank.
Right.
Then
Mm,
you have then the conceptual understanding
mm,
which will make us to get
mm, mm,
jump to the top ranks.
mm, mm,
uh, and the VTRs and quick revision videos,
mm,
these both were integrated and it
mm.
helped me a lot, sir. And above all these, we have to do practice GTs. And
Mm.
I took more than GTs, the subject-wise E&Ds.
Sanjay,
It
I'll
helped
come
me.
to E&Ds, but
Yes,
I
sir.
want to understand more about the rapid revision videos.
Yes,
So
sir.
you used the beautiful word conceptual.
Yes,
So
sir.
I mean, this has been a pattern in last 2, 3 years that the examiners are asking more deeper questions, more conceptual questions, and
Yes, sir.
superficially reading things might take you to maybe 10,000 or 15,000. But if you
Yes,
want
sir.
to come into thousand, you have to go into the depth of the subject.
Yes,
So,
sir.
so do you think that the rapid revision videos of Cerebellum were good enough for the build up of the conceptual understanding?
It was absolutely, it was worth, sir, because those rapid revision videos were not just about one-liners.
Mm,
It was
mm,
fully about
mm,
concepts.
mm.
It made us understand.
Understood.
It didn't tell facts. It
Right.
told the concepts.
Mm, mm. Apart from that, you were talking about E&Ds. You did all the subject E&Ds,
Yes, sir.
all the teachers. So tell us a bit more about what was your approach towards E&Ds, and now that you have crossed the barrier, you have your passed the mark line.
Yes,
When you
sir.
think back, how did those E&Ds help you in the preparation?
So actually, the standard of E&Ds
Mm,
were very much higher than INICET.
mm, mm,
As far as the exam is concerned, those standard, the difficulty level was very much higher.
mm, mm,
Practicing those questions
mm,
made very difficult INI paper look
mm,
moderate.
mm, 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 mm,
And automatically the pressure will get relieved, sir. If we
mm,
feel it is very difficult, anxious will take
mm,
over.
mm,
And those E&Ds, subject-wise E&Ds, though we will get only a fraction of questions in the INI exam as all the subjects are combined. But when we do subject-wise E&Ds, we will get a depth knowledge of each and every subject.
mm, mm.
And
And do you think, Dr. Sanjay, that as we move towards the paper, towards the exam, solving MCQs should take precedence over, reading the notes again and again or watching videos again and again? Do you think
yes,
that?
sir. Yes,
Mm,
sir. Because
mm,
reading is an entity,
mm,
but applying them is a different
mm.
entity.
Very
Uh,
nicely said. As far as the late night PYQs are concerned, did you use those?
so midday modules, late night PYQs helped me cover every PYQs.
Mm. So you were regular with those?
I was constantly using, sir.
Nice, nice. And because, I mean, 2 months back we had a dilemma that shall we have only one cycle of late night PYQs? Because there were students who are preparing for the next year. And
Yes,
then
sir.
we thought that there are students who are preparing for this INI-CET. So for the first time, we decided to have two sets of late night PYQs, INI-CET
Yes,
focused and NEET PG focused.
yes,
So
sir.
I think it helped our students.
It helped a lot, sir, actually.
Hmm. Sanjay, we put a lot of effort in grand test. I mean, we
Yes,
want
sir.
grand test to be as close to the real exam. And then this whole idea that students tend to procrastinate, do not review grand test. So we started adding short video explanations.
Yes,
So,
sir.
so what was your experience of taking grand test in Cerebellum? And did you use the video explanations?
Yes, sir. I actually After completing every grand test, I'll not just see the answers, sir.
Mm.
I'll just switch over to the videos.
Okay.
Even for my correct guesses, I'll see
Mm.
the videos.
Okay.
Because during grand test, I would have guessed something and it would have got right.
Mm.
I
Mm.
shouldn't leave that.
Mm.
I should see my correct responses also.
Mm.
Whether my way of thinking and whether the actual
Mm.
concept is right.
Mm. Mm. So they are solving their purpose, right?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. So, if I can summarize, Sanjay, quick revision videos for conceptual building, BTR for facts, last minute
Yes, sir.
revision, E&Ds, MCQs revision, MCQ practice to apply the knowledge, and GTs and late night PYQs to further improve it. One thing I forgot to ask, did you use marathon classes in the end?
Actually, marathon classes, I didn't use it
You
at
didn't.
end,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
You stuck to what you had done in the
Yes,
past.
sir. I stuck to what I had.
So, Dr. Sanjay, what next are you planning to? And what was your rank in NEET PG 25?
Sir, 14K, sir.
Okay, so this is a huge jump from 14K to 216. Wonderful.
Yes,
So,
sir.
what are you planning to pick as a branch?
Sir, I really have a dilemma between medicine or pediatrics, sir. And,
Medicine, of course.
okay, sir.
Medicine is an evergreen branch, right?
Yeah,
And
sir.
later on, you can go into multiple fields. I
Yes,
mean,
sir.
I always believe that there are, I mean, there are all branches are good, but medicine is medicine. I
Yeah,
mean,
sir.
it's the king.
Yeah, sir.
All right, Dr. Sanjay, it's so nice to talk to you. You are so humble, so polite, and it was just really my pleasure to talk to you. And I have only one request.
Yes, sir.
Please continue to be a part of our Telegram group at Cerebellum and keep guiding your juniors.
Yes,
When
sir.
we hear from seniors like you, they get a lot of confidence.
Yes, sir.
May
Definitely.
God bless you, my dear. May God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.